What the fuck? I still haven't gotten my fragment. Oh my god! Oh my god, that trip. Oh my god. Oh my god, I have to rewatch it on the stream right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, I ripped my undying character in the stupidest way possible. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. 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 And of course Sentix is gonna be there for the rip. Oh my god, what the fuck? Nah, it's you are late too much for for the haha. Oh my god, I didn't I don't know pay attention at all, I guess. Oh my god, this was what the fuck. Hoping that I'm dead already, right?
Well, not really. I'm just curious how I'm still doing. And now I just tune in to your stream like 30 seconds.
Wow, I think you cursed me. I think you cursed me. Oh my god, this was like what the fuck? Wow, the stupidest death ever.
I didn't see actually how you died because I was typing on Skype.
Corrupting bot, I just didn't see it. I wasn't paying attention at all. Because it was a low level map and I was just, there for the Tempest and I wasn't paying at all attention.
Didn't you die corrupting last time?
What means last time? Oh yeah, to the village ruin boss. No, but I mean that death was literally, how do I put it? Like, I got hit by a strong monster and I died. This death though is stupid. It's just like stupid death. Wow. Yeah. I mean. Yes, of course, but no, I mean, I'm way past that, like, seriously, I'm way past the, I lost my expensive gear, because you care about it when you, I know, it's just different, I mean, it's so much into the league, and I literally am playing solo for so long that it's just irrelevant. The losing of the gear, I mean, losing of the character is something, but losing of the gear is not really anything. Nothing. How do I put it? Special. It's just it has a unique property that synergizes good, but that's it.
Yeah, but
Oh my god, this dead. I was literally not paying attention at all, like at all. Wow. And recently there was posted deaths like that were in how was it called? The green ground, desecrate ground. and people not seeing their HP degen. So this was literally the same. This was my first thought. When I died, I realized that it was corrupting bot, and I thought, oh my god, did I really just rip in the way that I saw recently a few rips like from not paying attention at all? Because, you know, and my death was actually kind of quicker because by the time I killed the monster, I was already on half HP. I just didn't notice at all. And when I when I stopped shooting, I just had like 30% HP, so I should have fought it instantly. Otherwise, I was fucking dead. Oh my god. Well, perfect ending to a perfect character, I guess. Oh my god. This is retarded. And I lost all my experience in 93. Are you fucking kidding me?